I did a trade with Mr. Inferno. I sent him some pics, and he sent me some locks. And one of the locks that was in there was this. I'm not sure exactly where it's from. It just says metal vent, and it's only like a 3-pin lock, but I thought it was pretty neat. So let's see. Law Lock Tools, 47 thousandths, number 3 from the Reaper set. 1, 2, of course, right? 3. And it's only opening that far because of that little limiter on the back is hitting my vise. But that is the metal vent lock from Mr. Inferno.